Right now we have come to meet Mr. Bhupendra Rawat ji, who is the CEO of DhaSh PV. Rawat ji, thanks a lot for joining this conversation.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
First question, how you see the vibe right now in REI 2024?
Absolutely, it is fantastic, very positive. I think India is doing fantastic. Government support definitely is responsible for this. There are a lot of new investments still happening, keep on happening in module industry. Plus, the emphasis is also into the backward integration. So yes, very positive environment.
And currently your capacity is around 32 gigawatt, I believe. And I see a lot of solar companies and companies related to solar are expanding. So where you want to take your companies in the next 1 year or 2 year? What is your expansion plan now?
Thank you so much. Yes, so I once again reiterate, we are the global number one non-Chinese integrated junction box manufacturer with a 32 gigawatt current capacity. And yes, we are looking at the pace India is growing. Today, if you see, currently the module capacity is approximately 65 gigawatt plus. And by next year, this time, it would be 110 plus gigawatt. So we are actually very much geared up to match this capacity. We are actually coming up with the giga facility at Sera Tumkur, where we have a capacity to produce 50 gigawatt of junction box along with the polymer, which is plastics required for junction box. We are also expanding. We are bringing in 1,000 kilometers per day DC cable capacity, which is of course also sufficing captive needs. Plus, we can also offer to market. Plus, we are also getting into the diode semiconductor manufacturing, which is our core product in junction box. So what we are trying to do is creating a backward complete integration so that there is a self-reliance, that dependability is going to go off.
And you have your plant and office in Bangalore. Now you're planning to invest in a new plant in Tumkur, which is also the home of Pavagada and Solar Park. So why you choose Karnataka to invest or start manufacturing in that southern part of the country?
So I think we also looked after the other Tamil Nadu and other states as well. I think we could get this land allocated very fast, and by now today we have already come up, the boundary wall in this land is already done, and we are already come up with the footings and all. So time was the major factor for us, as we need to catch up the market. So hence we selected the local, wherein we got the land very fast, and now the manufacturing, the fabrication, the building is coming up very fast there.
Although there are few players in your segment, specific segment, but in your competition, what is your USP? What do you think is your USP that is making you different from your main competitors?
See, definitely we have the first mover advantage. We are the only company, recognized company, having dual certification with us. We have a backward integration. Today also we have our own polymer. Plus we are now getting into complete integration. So plus we have a 20 gigawatt plus deployment. So basically this is this is a heart of a junction, of a solar module. And the quality aspect is the requirement of quality is the utmost here, because the module has to go for 25 years, 30 years of life, and hence it plays a key critical role. Globally, if you see, the majority of the problems have actually been encountered in the junction box. So we are a company having the design capability, plus we have a capacity, plus we have all the, we have been developing ourselves to meet the market requirements, the futuristic market requirements. In fact, just to tell you, we are in this area, we have launched 35 amps rating junction box, certified junction box. We also have launched 2000 volt DC junction box as well as the connectors. So these are the new offerings in the REI from us.
So in the solar sector, we have seen that this is the last question. In the solar sector, we have seen a lot of solar module makers are investing or planning to invest or planning to start their manufacturing centers in the United States. So do you also have any plans to go there and invest in United States or in countries beyond India?
Thank you so much. Yes, the way we are expanding, definitely we are looking outside India as well. In fact, we were the part of RE Plus last month, which happened in Anaheim, US. We also had our stall there. We had visited, we are evaluating the facility, and yes, all the domestic module manufacturers who are actually trying to put a plant there are already supporting us. So we have market there, and we are now actually looking for the, where we should put the plant. So we definitely have, and US happens to be the next big, market for us.
So a lot of companies, solar companies are also planning to launch IPO because all of them are expanding. So are you also planning to launch, because you talked about gigawatt factory, investment in US, so are you also planning to do that?
So I think I'm sure the time will tell that. But right now, yes, we are actually concentrating on the expansion plans and sufficing the domestic needs. Uh, so that's something
No
which
announcement as of now.
so yeah, it will come. It will come. You will hear it.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Ravaji, for talking to Saur Energy.
Pleasure. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.